Welcome to our winery. Today, I'll show you exactly how premium wine is made, from fresh grapes to bottled perfection.
Gentle pressing is crucial. It allows us to extract the rich juice while preserving the delicate flavors inherent in the grapes.
Temperature is holding steady. Check the yeast activity levels again.
Looks good. The sugar conversion rate is optimal.
Every batch is carefully monitored to achieve the perfect taste.
The flavor profile is excellent, very balanced.
Every bottle is inspected before shipment.
And that's how premium wine is made. Let's take your word. From fresh grapes to bottled excellence.